Quick, review how to graph equations of the form y equals m times x plus b or y equals mx plus b by hand quickly, part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it, and press pause as needed anytime during this video. Here's our example. Graph y equals negative 2/5 x plus 4. The equation must be solved for y, and it is. We need to identify the value for the slope and the value for the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, m and b. So we write y equals m times x plus b below the equation, and then m is going to be negative 2/5, the coefficient of x, and b is going to be positive 4, the number that's added to the x term. So we start with b equals 4, and we plot the point 0, 4 on the y-axis. And then from that point, we use the slope to plot at least 2 more points. So the slope's negative 2/5. We can write negative 2/5 as negative 2 divided by positive 5. So the change in y is negative 2, while the change in x is positive 5. So that would be down 2, right 5. Or we can think of it as positive 2 divided by negative 5, and that would be up 2, left 5. Notice that the 3 points are collinear. We can go ahead and draw the line. And that's the graph of the equation y equals negative 2/5 x plus 4. Press pause as needed. Now you try some. Graph y equals x minus 3. Press pause and resume when you're finished. So I wrote the equation y equals mx plus b below it because it was solved for y already. M is equal to 1. B is equal to negative 3. So we start with the y-intercept at 0, negative 3. And the slope can be thought of as 1 divided by 1. So up 1, right 1. Or it can be thought of negative 1 divided by negative 1, which is down 1, left 1. 3 points are collinear, and that is our line. Please press pause to check. Resume when you're finished. One more. Graph 3x plus 2y equals 0. Press pause. Resume when you're finished. And here's the answer. We need to solve for y, and I did so. And I ended up with y equals negative 3/2 x. I put a plus 0 here to hold the placeholder for the y-intercept, b. So m is negative 3/2, b is 0. That means the y-intercept is at the origin, 0, 0. From there, I use the slope, negative 3 divided by 2. That would be down 3, right positive 2. Or I can think of it as positive 3 divided by negative 2, which would mean up positive 3, left negative 2. There are the 3 collinear points, and there's the line.